How to download the Co-operative Bank application on your Android. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to use the mobile banking for the Co-operative Bank, it is quite simple. For this, you have to open your Play Store. After that, on the search bar, type in Co-operative Bank. You will see a list of options from different organizations or countries. Make sure to select on Co-op Mobile Banking by Finance. Tap on it with this logo and then tap on the install button. This will automatically start the download of it. It will take a total space of 65.51 MB. The download will depend upon the internet connection, but once the download is completed, the installation will also automatically start. After that, you can tap on the open button in order to open the mobile banking and log in order to use it. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.